Hello, today we're going to crochet a pair of fingerless gloves. Here's what we'll need. First, we'll start with 50 chain stitches. In row 2, we'll crochet 1 chain stitch and 49 slip stitches in back bumps. In row 3, crochet 1 chain stitch and 49 slip stitches in back loop only. The next row is same as row 3, 1 chain stitch and 49 slip stitches back loop only. In row 5, begin with 1 chain stitch and 9 slip stitches in back loop only. Then crochet 41 chain stitches. In row 6, crochet 40 slip stitches in back pumps and 9 slip stitches in back loop only. If you're not sure about where is the first stitch for back loop only, count from the end to find the 9th stitch. In row 7, crochet 1 chain stitch and 49 slip stitches in back loop only. Row 8 also the same. When finishing row 8, you will have 2 strands. Repeat row 5 to row 8 twice for the 2 remaining strands. When all 4 strands completed, we'll start to braid. When finished braiding, make sure you have 6 curves at the sides. Use stitch markers to fix the strands. In row 17, crochet 1 chain stitch, 9 slip stitches, and 5 slip stitches in each curve. All the slip stitches are in back loop only. When reaching the last part, you can count from the end to find the 5th stitch. You'll now have 39 stitches in a row. Now we start over the row counting. Start with 8 chain stitches. And 7 slip stitches in the back bumps. Now we crochet a slip stitch into the middle of the strand to connect. In row 3, 1 chain stitch and 7 slip stitches in back loops only. Row 4, continue to crochet 7 slip stitches in back loops only. After the slip stitches, one more slip stitch to connect the corner of the strand. In row 5, continue with 7 slip stitches. Row 6 is same as row 2. 1 chain stitch, 7 slip stitches in back loop only, and a slip stitch in the middle of strand. Row 7 also 1 chain stitch and 7 slip stitches back loop only. In row 8, 1 chain stitch, 7 slip stitches back loop only, and 1 slip stitch at the corner of strand to connect. Row 9, 1 chain stitch and 7 slip stitches back loop only. Repeat row 6 to 9 twice for the remainings. Row 18 is similar to what we had in the opposite side. Just few more slip stitches. Crochet 1 chain stitch, 7 slip stitches, 5 slip stitches in each curve and 9 slip stitches. All of them are in back loop only. To the last curve. You can count from the end to find the 14th stitch. Starting from row 19, all stitches will be slip stitch. Crochet until the suitable width. One slip stitch when the width fits. Then cut the yarn with long tail to sew. Then sew the sides together. Tie a knot and hide the tail when finished sewing. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you in the next video.